Jopuonjre mbalariany Ramogi oseyudo pek e tieko sombgi kalure koda ng'anyo ma kinde ka kinde matimore e mbalariany no. Jopuonjre mag thieth osebedo ka somo e mbalariany no kuom higni maromo 9. Kaka jafwambo marwa Nyakidi lero, jopuonjre go koro somo kendgi giwegi kama moko to koro owere gi weche somo.
E mbalariany Ramogi, klese ni nono kendo kwe kapisoko. Kombe oluo, ranyisi mar lek mochung'. E skund thieth, jopuonjre manodonjo kae ka nigi geno mar yudo tiegruok makare nigi kuyo ahinya. Pek mar koso somo kaluwore gi ng'anyo ma kinde ka kinde ochungo lekgi. Lindegwa manoyudo grade mar A tok penj mar KCSE kachiel gi jowetege mamoko ne nigi mor mokadho mar riwore gi mbalariany ni.
I still remember the joy that everyone had because I was top in Nyandarua County. So I was called by Equity Bank to go and work there as the top girl. So it was a very big celebration. Yeah.
It's been long. We joined the school in October 2016. So this is our 9th year. We've done already our 8 years.
Kaluwore kod ng'anyo mosedhi nyime kuom thuolo malach, moko kuom jopuonjre osewuok skul kama moko to koro somo kigin gi paro mar ni chenro mag mbalariany no biro dok makare machiegni.
It's been very tiring. It has been draining in every way. We're physically drained. We're mentally, emotionally drained. We're financially drained at this point. It's been a very, very long stay for us.
We came with very lofty ambitions. For me, I wanted to be a neuro-ophthalmic surgeon, which is a subspecialty in ophthalmology. And the dream, we don't want to give up on our dreams because we are very strong.
Ne jopuonjregi odiochieng' kodiochieng' gitemo matek mar chopo lek margi mar ni ok ginyal chako tich kaka lakteche nyaka kanyo masidhgi ma giyudo boke mar tich tok tiegruok kuom higa achiel kendo.
Their first year in the campuses, those are people who, while we were joining campus, they were in class 4. So when I go back home, you know, this bright student who topped the district, they think that sort of medical school has become hard for me, and I've repeated quite a number of times.
The notion out there is, first of all, maybe I dropped school, or I have decided to do other things apart from what I'm supposed to do in school, but that is not the case. We have just been delayed by this institution and the country at large.
We are your children. We didn't want to be here. I mean, we're all bright people. We deserve better. And I mean, we cannot do anything as students, but they can actually get us back to class because that's what we really want. We are actually frustrated of staying here for that long.
Som jopuonjre go noroch kod tuo mar COVID-19, ng'anyo mar lakteche e bwo riwruok mar KMPDU kod kar thieth mar Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital.
But there are those who have severe mental issues. Stress has affected many of our students. In fact, like the 6th year medical students, last week they were undergoing a therapy by our colleagues in MTRH.
Nyakidi, Ramogi TV.